In order to be more compatible with Volkswagen MQB key, please upgrade the PCF adapter program in advance. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. The device number is displayed in the top right corner, indicating that the device is connected. Slide the page to the bottom. Click Special Function. Click Adapter Upgrade. Click the Help for upgrading the PCF key adapter. Connect the PCF key adapter to the ACDP device. Click PCF key upgrade. Click OK. The PCF key adapter has been connected successfully. Click OK. Check the current version and the latest version number. If inconsistent, click Yes to upgrade to the latest version. Upgrading adapter. The upgrade adapter is complete. Click OK. Click OK. Thank you for watching.